In this tutorial, you will learn how to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. This process is essential for complying with email marketing regulations and ensuring your subscribers have the option to opt out of your communications. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in with your account credentials if you are not already logged in. After signing in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage your campaigns. Next, locate the campaigns option on the left sidebar and click on it. This action will take you to a screen displaying all your existing campaigns. Here, you can either select an existing campaign you wish to edit or create a new one. To proceed with creating a new campaign, click on the Create button found on the top right corner of the screen. Once you click Create, you will be presented with various options for the type of campaign you can make. Choose the option that best suits your needs, and then click on Begin to start the campaign setup process. This will direct you to the campaign editor where you can customize your email content. After the campaign editor loads, you will see several options regarding your campaign's design and settings. Click on the Close button if you wish to navigate to another section, or if you need to make additional adjustments. This action will bring you back to the campaign overview screen. Now, select the design email option to start customizing the layout and content of your email. This will take you to a new screen where you can edit various elements of your email, such as text, images, and links. Once in the email design section, you will find an Apply button. Click on this button to save any changes you have made. It is important to confirm that your changes are saved before moving on to the next steps. Next, look for the More Options link, which will usually appear in the section where you manage your email settings. Clicking this will expand additional settings for your campaign. Within the expanded options, find and select the Unsubscribe link option. This option allows you to add an unsubscribe link to your email, ensuring that your subscribers can easily opt out if they choose to do so. After you click on this link, the necessary code will be inserted into your email template automatically. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.